Hey baddies, it's your girl Kaylia, and today I'm going to be showing you how I would look if I was a bombshell on Love Island. A brand new bombshell enters the villa. It's me, I'm the bombshell. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Could y'all imagine a country girl as a bombshell on Love Island? And not like a girl from the city? That would be something. Like, that would be so crazy. Let me preference this. Now, I've never seen Love Island before, so there might be a country girl on there. I've just personally never seen Love Island. I know, shocker. Who hasn't seen Love Island? As someone who loves drama and everything like that, I'm surprised I haven't seen Love Island either. I'm kind of excited. I've got this cool little updo going on, and so I feel like it fits, and I've got this going on, this shirt going on. I'm just channeling my inner bombshell, honestly. So first I want to do my eyebrows. From what I've seen on TikTok, a lot of these girls, they have big fluffy brows that don't go anywhere. So I'm going to NYX the brow glue and then my e.l.f. Ultra Precise brow pencil, and I am just going to try to make my eyebrows look as natural as possible, but also have them stay in place. These are the brows. I honestly am kind of living for them. I've never done brows that are like this. So I don't know, I kind of like them. What do you guys think? Now, I know they do very glowy, very glowy base, very glowy everything. So I've never done this before, so this is my first time trying this out. So if this looks bad, then I can't do anything about it. I'm going to take the e.l.f. bronzing drops. This is the copper gold. I think this is one of the darker shades. And then I'm going to take my e.l.f. face cream, and I'm going to mix these two together and create my base. Don't really know how much of this to use, so I'm just gonna kind of put some on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna squeeze a couple drops, I guess. Maybe that, I don't know. That seems like a lot, but I'm gonna mix this together. If it's too dark, I can always add more face cream. Wait, I kind of like that. Hold up. I kind of like how bronzy that is. It's not too much, but it's not too little. We're gonna roll with this. I don't think this looks bad. Oh, she's cute. Okay, she gives my face a nice little tan. Something that I struggle to achieve, a tan. I always burn. My scalp is burnt. I went to Pigeon Forge last week and I'm burnt. Literally the top of my feet are burnt so bad. I don't even know how that happened. That's just my life. Literally my life. I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And we're just gonna conceal underneath my eyes just a tad bit. Because these girls, they have makeup on, but they're very natural they try to achieve a natural makeup look from what I have gathered. And apparently they only have 15 minutes to do their makeup. So, I mean, yeah, they have to do a pretty glam natural makeup look. Next, I'm taking my bronzer. This is the Juvia's Cream Bronzer in the shade Honey. Because honey, they are bronzed to the gods, let me tell you this. If that e.l.f. bronzer wasn't enough, they have this. Next for blush, I am taking the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Hope, and we are going to add a little bit of color to my cheeks because they do wear some blush. I'm going to add some highlight on top of the blush, but I'm also going to set a little bit of my face, but I want to add the liquids first before I go in with the powder. This is the Rare Beauty Liquid Luminizer in Enlighten, and I'm just going to put a tad bit right here. I'm going to pat that out with my fingers. Before I set my face, I'm going to go in with a freckle pen because a lot of those girls, they do have freckles. Now, I don't know if they're fake or if they're real, but mine's going to be fake. This is the Relove by Revolution freckle pen. I'm not too fond of this. To be honest with you, you've got to work quick with it. If not, you're screwed. You're going to have some big freckles on your face, whether you like it or not. I'm just going to focus this really around my nose area. I'm going to set my T-zone area and a little bit under my eyes with the Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I'm just going to take that on a powder puff. I'm going to go back in and really highlight my face just to make my face stand out a little bit more. My highlights stand out, but just a little bit more. I'm taking the Peppermint Frost palette, highlighting palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Ugly Sweater. It's a very bright highlighter. And we're not done. We're going to do some eyeshadow. I'm going to take this Dazzle Stick by KVD. This is in the shade Flash Storm. This is what she looks like. I haven't used this in a little bit, so hopefully it's still good, but we're just gonna put this right here on top of my eye and we're just gonna kind of blend it out. I'm gonna take my basic canvas palette by Painted, and I'm gonna dip into the like dark brown shade, and I'm just gonna create an eyeshadow wing because I don't want a liquid eyeliner wing to be so harsh, you know? So I'm just gonna make one out of eyeshadow. And then I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. This is the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara, just to finish up my eyes. And I'm only doing mascara because I honestly don't have any natural looking lashes that I could do with this look. I only have 17, 18 millimeter lashes from Juvia's Place, and I would not wear that. That is, no. That is not natural for Love Island. Now, if I had eyelash extensions, I would wear that instead of just mascara, but since I don't have eyelash extensions, all we have is mascara. And last but not least, for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star lip liner in the shade Dominatrix. As you can tell, I don't got much left. This is my favorite lip liner, as you can tell. And then I'm just gonna top off the lip liner with the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Vanilla Beige. And to top everything off, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist and set everything into place. And this is the final look. So this is how I would look if I was a bombshell on Love Island. Let me know what you guys think of this makeup look and how you think I would do on Love Island. Like I said, I know nothing about the show. I just know that these couples like boo up and like they try to win money or something. I don't know. They do challenges. I don't know. That's like literally all I know, and there's like a lot of drama. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!